Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova Y91 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to Access, Biometrics and Password. Now tap on Lock Screen Password and tap on Change Unlock Method. Now tap on the best one for you from the list of available ones. 4-digit PIN, custom PIN, pattern or password. Then create it and repeat it in order to confirm it. Following that, hit Done at the bottom right corner. If you wish to add your fingerprint right away, you can do that by selecting Add in the pop-up and following all of the instructions from your screen. If you don't want to do it now, just tap on Cancel. You can always go back to it by selecting Fingerprint ID. So now, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!